Hello friends, Running Kimono here. It is Sunday, May the 17th. Tons of really great deals over at Walgreens. Dollar something-ish tie. Do I have your attention? And free Olay. So this is going to be a really great week of deals over at Walgreens. I'm pretty excited. At the very end of the video, I'm going to do a $60 basket just to give you a shopping guide of like, what do I put? Because $60 can seem a little bit intimidating, but I have you guys covered. So at the very end, we're going to dive into that $60 basket of just deals that we're showing. If you want to participate, I know $60 is a little bit out of pocket though. And if you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into these super savings, if you could please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hit the hype button, I would be so grateful. Really helps out the channel and my video if you could like or hype the video or do both. This first deal, we're going to have to do curbside, and I'll explain exactly why. These little cutie pies, which are the Olay Retinol 24 Night Moisturizers for $9.99. That's the sales price this week. We have a 20 off a 2 digital coupon. It's attaching. So if your store might have 2 of these, you're going to get 2 completely for free. It's also part of the promotion of spend 45 to earn back 15. But if you just want to bypass that and get 2 for free, this is the deal. And I know a lot of people are just trying to make cheap stuff happen. So we're just going to just jog through that. Okay, so tossing 2 of these into a basket, it's going to be $19.98. And the 20 off a 2 digital coupon that you can load, it's going to reduce down to that cost. Now, if you're going to be smart in the store and say, hey, I'll just grab 2 of those and bingo bango, you're 2 cents short. That 20 off of 2 will not come off. And customer service with a smile on their face will say, sorry, you're 2 cents short. So just to show you, there it is, the coupon coming off, $1.20. Obviously, you're $10 short from a curbside pickup. So what I'm encouraging you guys to do is to, if you want to do the soda deal, if you want to do the Doritos deal, whatever you want to do to get that basket to $10, put this in ASAP. This will get cleared very quickly because these are fancier night creams, and for free, that's unheard of. Remember, this deal is curbside. The rest is in-store. Okay, the next deal we're going to look at in-store, rest of the deals in-store, is the OGX shampoo, and this is a deal anybody can do. They're buy one, get one 50% off, and we have a 6 off a 2 digital coupon. Now, if you're anything like me and you already used it because you're like, OGX, oh my gosh. Some of these items also have peelies, so you can do an either or, either the digital coupon or the peelie. You can't use them together because they're both manufacturer coupons, and you can't stack 2 manufacturer coupons because it just doesn't work that way. So grabbing 2 of these on a BOGO 50% off, that's $14.98. Subtracting that digital, you're paying $8.98, getting back a $4 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per OGX, a product that's $10. That's 75% off savings. Hello, this is the deal. Hopefully I'm being crystal clear and transparent. This is a deal I'm so excited about. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, alternatively, if you can find these peptide ones on clearance, they are 75% off, and they were working with another promotion last week. So if you could find these growth peptide ones, I have pretty rough dandruff sometimes, or I just styled my hair too much back in the day. This stuff is so gentle, especially if you have you did a lot to your hair back in the day. I don't know how to say it, straighteners and curlers and stuff, but it's such a gentle shampoo. I give this an A++. So if you could track down 3 of those clearance shampoos at $2.49 and $7.47 for 3, subtracting that 6 off a 2 digital coupon, I want to go higher than the 6 off a 2 because with a digital coupon, you have to go higher or it will not come off. You'll pay $1.47, get back a $4 register reward, moneymaker. If you can find some stylers or other items, 2 of the more expensives would be $3.73. Subtracting 1 peelie, you're paying 73 cents and getting a $4 register reward. You need to track down 2, so make it happen. P&G Laundry Care, the fancier line, is $4.99. When you buy 4, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Plus, we have dollar digital coupons on each. Make sure you're looking at what you're buying. So 4 of these. Sorry, guys, one of them's supposed to be a liquid one, but I used it last week, so let's pretend one of them's a liquid coupon. 4 of these products at $4.99 a pop. That's $19.96. They're usually $5.49, so they're giving us a little bit of savings. Maybe they're into the Memorial Day holiday and they want to make us save more money. Subtracting those dollar digitals, you're paying $15.96, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.96 for the 4 or $2.74 per item. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The Scott's 12 or 6. The 6 are scented. I know a lot of people have a lot of opinions on scented toilet paper. They're $5. Buy one, get one 50% off. And in my video yesterday, I'm like, I thought there might be a 2 off a 2 that's attaching. And guess what? It in fact is. So this is really the time to stock up on cheap toilet paper, guys. Can't stress it enough. I think it's just a smart thing to do. Grabbing 2 of these friends on a BOGO 50% off. That's $7.50. Subtracting the 2 off a 2, you're paying $5.50 for the 2 or $2.75 per bag of toilet paper. This is really extreme couponing and savings and stuff that doesn't go bad in your stockpile, so I would definitely stock up. Another deal that I absolutely love this week, if you still have the coupon, it's this cheaper 50-cent Colgate, and it's on the fancier brushes and pastes. The promotion is when you buy 2, you get back a $4 register reward with the 5 off a 2 coupon. And here's our friend, the 5 off a 2 digital coupon. Make sure you have it loaded. Grabbing 2 of these, it's going to be exactly $10. Subtracting our coupon, you're going to pay $5. Get back a $4 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, now this next deal, $3.50 for these hard pack Crest. If you're traveling this summer, you absolutely need these for your carrying case. They're on a pretty good little promotion. These are the coupons that you want to load, the 3 off 2 and the $1. There's also a 3 off a 3. Unload that one and load this one. It's a difference between a $3 off coupon and a $4 off coupon. I'd rather go with the 4 for that extra buck of savings. 3 of these cutie pies is $10.50. They're $3.50 a pop. That's how I'm getting the math. Subtracting $4, you're paying $6.50, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $1.50 for the 3 or 50 cents per unit. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another great deal this week is on the $9.99 Gain Laundry Care, $5 reward when you buy 2. Currently, we have 2 $2 coupons for the enhancer and the detergent. Make sure you load both and make sure the items that you're grabbing in the store are tagged. Important. So here we go, guys. 2 of these products at $9.99 a pop is $19.98. Subtracting 4, you're paying $15.98. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it $10.98 for the 2 or $5.49 per product. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Now, another deal I absolutely love this week is the disposable razors. And here they are. I only have a 5 off a 2 digital coupon. I thought we were going to get something more like $6 off, but it's a 5 off a 2. Buy one, get one 50% off. Grab 2 disposables for $15.88. Subtracting that 5 off a 2, you're paying $10.88, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $5.88 for the 2 or $2.49 per razor. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Okay, and now we're looking at the Dove. These are deals from last week, so if you didn't do them last week and you still have the coupons, you can still participate. The $5 Dove shampoo, that's what we're looking for, and we're going to be loading this friend, which is the 4 off a 2. Very basic deal here. Grabbing 2 of these for $10, subtracting your coupon, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $3 register reward, making it 3 for 2 or $1.50 per Dove. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Why not? This is another deal from last week with the $6 Tresemme $4 reward when you buy two with 4 off a 2 digital coupon. If you still have the coupon, you can still do the deal. All manufacturer coupons are also of a one-time use for all the new couponers out there, just to answer that burning question. Two of these for $12, subtracting your coupon, you're paying $8, getting back a $4 register reward, making it 4 for 2 or $2 per Tresemme. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Another deal that I really like this week is with the Softsoap. I always like these refills for the hand soap. They're $5.99 a pop. Buy 3, get back a $3 register reward. So grabbing 3 of these at that price point, it is $17.97. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $12.97, getting back a $3 register reward, making it $9.97 for the 3 or $3.32 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Before we dive into my $60 basket, let's not forget class. This is the week to really stock up on cheap products, including a buy 2, get 3 for free on Pepsi, Mountain Dew, and the Coke is also really great with a buy 2, get 2 for free. If you need to stock up on your summer beverages for guests, for Memorial Day or cookouts or graduation parties, Walgreens is your stop. I think they are the cheapest. And we will investigate this a little bit more starting on Monday with my curbside video. Okay, so I'm going to show you guys a $60 basket to earn back $12 in Walgreens cash. When you go to the register, listen, are the register rewards printing? Ask, are the register rewards printing? Because this is a huge deal pending on register rewards. So it is very important that you ask these upfront questions and make sure the prices are ringing up properly. In this basket, we're going to throw in 3 of those Crests for $10.50, 2 Colgates for $10, 4 P&G laundry care products for $19.96, and then 2 Gain products for $19.98. The grand total there is $60.44. Have that e-booster loaded. You have $17 in digitals melting off. 4 for Crest, 5 for Colgate, $4 ones for the P&G laundry care, and then $4 for the Gain, as I showed you in slides previous. With your debit card, you're paying $43.44, getting back $12 in Walgreens cash, $19 in register rewards, making it $12.44 for the 11 products or $1.13 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, as you're using a spend booster of spend 60 to earn back 12. And remember, guys, you really, really have to have your A game on for this one to make sure that it's exactly at the price point we're talking about. Watch the register like a hawk. Ask about the register rewards printing. And also might have manufacturer register rewards from the week previous and you want to toss them in, say Tresemme or whatever. You can throw those in as long as it's not a store register reward, because that will mess up everything. Don't use any Walgreens cash to pay down the balance, but good luck with this one. It's a fantastic deal for $1.13 per product. That's it for this one. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.